Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe and it's a tomato snack. It's super easy to make and very delicious. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, I'll need tomatoes, which I'll cut one cross on each of them. Now let's cut some parsley. And the same thing with some dill. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and some pepper. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm adding 4 garlic cloves. Let's mix it all together and add the parsley and dill. And let's mix it together. First, let's add some tomatoes, then the parsley and dill, and more tomatoes. Mix it all together. Now let's close it and leave it for about 2 or 3 hours. When it's all done, mix them again. And let them sit for a few minutes. When it's all done, try it out. It's super delicious and super easy to make, and everyone will enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.